Hi everyone, welcome back. In this section, we are going to look at how to merge lines in a PCB. This allows you to combine several separate track segments into one complete line, making it much easier to edit and manage later. First, open the PCB editor. On the canvas, find the lines you want to merge and make sure they are connected end to end. Next, drag to select them, or hold Ctrl and click to select each line one by one. After the lines are selected, right-click on any of them. In the context menu, find and click Merge as a closed line. Once you click it, you will see that the separate segments are now merged into a single closed line. After merging, the line can be moved, copied, or edited as a whole, which is especially useful when drawing board outlines, mechanical shapes, or other regular structures. One thing to keep in mind, if there are gaps between the lines or the endpoints are not aligned, the merge option may not be available. In that case, just adjust the endpoints first and make sure the lines are properly connected. That's how you merge lines in a PCB. That's all for this video. I'll see you in the next one.
$85,000 prize pool. The EasyEDA 2026 Stars competition is now open worldwide. Material costs largely reimbursed. $100 JLC coupon for every qualified completed project. Top 28 engineers get invited to JLC Factory to see production up close. No pitch decks, no fluff, just working hardware. Submit your build now.